We all know that the whole point of Excel is to work with numbers and for it to basically be a calculator, which means that what you want to see on screen as a general rule is the answer to those calculations. But what if you wanted to see the calculations and even to print those out? Let me show you how in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So here I am in Excel. I've got a pretty simple spreadsheet created. And of course, if I hit print, it's going to print out what you see on screen in front of you. I can, of course, click on any of the cells and see the contents. So if it's data, it's just the information, but otherwise it's the formula that makes it up. But how can I actually see that so that I can print that out? And here's where a really useful shortcut key comes in handy. So it's actually a control key, and it's the key called the grave. Don't know why it's called that, but I did have to look it up. It's actually the one directly above the tab in the top left corner of your keyboard and to the left of the one underneath the escape key. I'll try and add a photo in so you know exactly which one I'm talking about. So basically, it's simply Control and that grave key, and it immediately switches it to show you the formulas that have been typed in. What's really useful is you can now hit print, and if I do Control P for print, you can see it is actually showing me that. Let me change that to be landscape, just so you can see that a bit clearer. But you can see it's actually will print out not just the answers, but exactly what's on the screen when you're done. If you're done and you don't need that anymore, then you simply press the same shortcut key again, so that's Control and the grave key, and it returns it back to normal. If you found this tip useful, please like the video and remember to subscribe and ring that notification bell to be told as more actionable tips are released for you.